Welcome to Today Curiosities. Here we'll tell you about celebrities and royalty. For a few days, a strange phenomenon has been recorded on a farm in Mongolia, China. Xi Jinping had been walking in circles for more than 2 weeks, even at night.
The strangest thing is that it is not only with these sheep. There are also other videos on social media where different animals and even insects are seen in different parts of the world with that same strange behavior. According to specialists, the circular movement of the sheep is due to the fact that they are stressed by staying in the corral for a long period of time.
Others had speculated that the sheep behavior could be caused by the bacterial disease called listeriosis. Despite the Chinese state-run outlet People's Daily saying they were in good health. If you like the video, give it a like and share it with everyone. If you are new to the channel, subscribe with notification as I'll continue to talk about these topics. And as always, thank you very much to everyone for being there, and until the next video.